Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to enter multi-line text or automatically multi-line text in a cell of Excel. For example, I click here in a cell and I enter some text. Safi Mix is one of my favorite channels on YouTube. And I click enter. Then I go to the subsequent cell and I enter some other text like I would like to learn this trick. If you see now, the text I entered previously in the first cell is now not visible. Similarly, if I keep on adding text or numbers, like I want to add a number in this cell 2356, and then I click enter, the text in the previous two cells is not completely visible. And I want the text in these cells to be completely visible. So the trick is very easy. I need to highlight the cell, and then in the align group, I come to this button, which is for wrap text. If I click this button, all the text that I entered previously is now divided into multiple lines. And similarly, I can take this one and I enter the text over there is deleted. But if I now enter the same text like I would like to learn this trick, and then I click on this button. So now this text is also entered in multiple lines, but it is not aligned on the top of the cell. I can do that by coming to this line and clicking on it. It is aligned on the top, and similarly I can align this in the center. I can do the same thing with this cell and take this to the middle, and now and also I click this one so that it is right at the center of the cell. So this way you can adjust the text to be shown in multi-lines and for all the text to be visible in the cell. At the end, if you are not a subscriber of Safi Max, don't forget to click on the subscriber button. Also, don't hesitate to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.